Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I received a message from one of my viewer, Kelly Green. Does anyone know what replaces the RN227 transistor? Could someone provide me a specific name or link? Where can I buy? Okay, we will see it. First of all, we can find the data, alldatasheet.com. We can visit this site and we can search RN2227. RN227, this is switching inverter circuit, interface circuit, driver circuit application. This is a transistor, switching transistor. Here it is, datasheet. Click on the datasheet. We can download from this arrow button. Select your location where you want RN227. We downloaded it and I will open in Acrobat Reader. So it says RN2221 up to 2227 silicon PNP transistor, but it is special purpose. IC maximum 800 milliampere. That means we can use any PNP transistor, just only we have to search RN2227. It is its equivalent circuit, collector, base and emitter. If you want to use any PNP transistor within 1 ampere range, it is maximum 800 milliampere. You can use any transistor, just only you have to configure two resistors, R1 and R2. For RN227, the value at the base resistance, that is 2.2 kilo ohm, and R2, that is base to emitter resistance, that is 10 kilo ohm. So you have to connect two resistors with any PNP transistor with this configuration, and you can replace the circuit. It will work exactly the same. Just only we have to connect two resistors, 2.2k and 10k. If you have any other number, for example 2221, that is 1 kilo ohm, but for this configuration, if you cannot find the transistor, just only take any one transistor PNP transistor with 1 ampere, just only it should be a switching transistor, and we can connect two components and it will work. I hope so this video is informative for you. If it is informative, give a thumb up. If you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe it. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.